The Earth is at the largest distance from the Sun, Apehelion, on. Answer: July 4th. The seasonal contrasts are maximum in. Answer: mid-latitudes. Geostationary orbit is at a height of. Answer: 36,000 kilometers. A radio broadcast from Delhi on Monday at 7:30 p.m. is heard at New York on. Answer: the same day at 7:30 a.m. The position of the Sun is annually twice overhead at Singapore because of the. Answer: parallelism of inclined axis of the Earth. The light of Sun takes how much time to reach to Earth? Answer: 8 seconds. Who proposed continental drift theory? Answer: Alfred Wegener. The region which is resistant to the transformation of macrostructure is called? Answer: shield. What percentage of insolation is received by the Earth's surface? Answer: 0.47. For a time difference of 2 hours, the longitudinal distance will be equal to. Answer: 30 degrees. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, what is the time at New York 74 degrees W? Answer: 7:04 a.m. What is the difference between the local time and Greenwich time 1 degree longitude? Answer: 4 minutes. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is smallest in the month of. Answer: January. Which one of the following would have occurred if the Earth had not been inclined on its own axis? Answer: the seasons would not have changed. Insolation heats up the land masses more quickly than the water bodies because. Answer: water needs more energy to get warm. Which of these statements are correct? 1. Prime meridian passes through Greenwich and is at 0 degrees longitude. 2. International date line on the map appears as a straight line along 180 degrees longitude. 3. While crossing international date line from east to west, 1 gains a day. 4. Tropic of Cancer lies at latitude. Answer: 1 and 4. The Sun reaches its maximum angular distance from the equator at the. Answer: solstice. If news is broadcast from London at 10:30 a.m., at what time it will be heard at Baghdad, 45 degrees E? Answer: 1:30 p.m. If the Earth's direction of rotation is reversed, what would be the IST when it is noon at the international date line? Answer: 6.30 H or S. Please mention your score also on comment box. Like, share and support Indian Learning Quiz YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.